So children, let us understand page number 64 today. In my last video, I explained page number 62 and 63 of chapter number 8. So today we will study about outdoor games. So let us know what are outdoor games. Indoor games are very good, but we cannot ignore the importance of outdoor games. After spending long hours in a classroom, you want to play in fresh air in the open playground. Similarly, the older people also look forward to some outdoor activity. Means everyone like to move out or to play outside. They don't want to confine themselves in four walls in a room. Either they are children or the elder one. Everyone likes to spend some time outside also, out of their houses. It supplies fresh air to the lungs, refreshes the mind in a natural environment, and keeps the body fit. Everyone enjoys freedom from enclosed space, stale air, and cocooned environment. Means when you go outside, then what are in benefits? You are getting fresh air from the environment, है ना? It refreshes your mind also and keeps your body fit. Everyone enjoys freedom from enclosed environment. Enclosed means an area that is closed by all the sides. When you are at your home, then we can say it is an enclosed space because you are inside your house. It is surrounded by walls from all sides. Okay. Stale air. Stale means that is not fresh. That is called stale air. And cocoon environment means like cocoon, if you have learned about the life cycle of silkworm, it remains inside the cocoon, है ना? Means it is isolated there, यानी अकेला रहता है. So cocoon environment means in an isolated environment, away from others. Moreover, most outdoor games involve large number of people and hence develop the qualities of team spirit, cooperation, tolerance, and leadership. So when you play outside, many people are there. Some of them come to watch the game, some are playing with you. So when you play outside, outdoor games, it develops some qualities also. You know how to play in a team. The team spirit, this is one of the value or the quality that is developed. Another one, cooperation. Like if you are playing football, it is also outdoor game and team play work. So you cooperate one with one another कि किसको पास करनी है, कैसे देनी है. So cooperation. Okay, then tolerance यानी सहनशीलता. Sometimes क्या होता है, ओपोनेंट जो मेंबर है वो कुछ बोल देते. क्रिकेट में आपने बहुत ऑब्जर्व किया होगा, व्हेन एवर गेम इज़ गोइंग ऑन तो ओपोनेंट टीम का मेंबर अगर जो है उसने छक्का मार दिया, सिक्सर मार दिया, तो जो है प्लेयर को गुस्सा आ जाता है और वो अपना गुस्सा शो करता है ना. तो ये चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए. ये चीज़ें आप अपने अंदर डेवलप करना सीखते हैं. सहनशीलता, टॉलरेंस को हम कहते हैं सहनशीलता. ठीक है. एंड लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, हाउ टू लीड द टीम. द कैप्टन जो होता है वो पूरी टीम को लीड करता है. सो इन दिस वे मैनी क्वालिटीज डेवलप व्हेन यू प्ले विथ अदर मेंबर्स also. The outdoor sporting activities have a great mass appeal as compared to indoor games. Means when you play any outdoor game, then there are audience also. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. Greater mass means many people watch your game, है ना. But when you are indoor, you are just like you are playing Ludo, or a snake or ladder. Only 3-4 are there, members are there who are playing this game, but no one wants to watch that game. But outdoor game, everyone like to watch that game also. Some examples are given here. Without a doubt, cricket is the most popular game in India. Indians enjoy all formats of the game. All formats means whether it is one day match or the test match, whatever, they like this game. Okay. Cricket is played, watched in stadiums or even on television by thousands of people. So whenever cricket match is held, many people go there to watch it in the stadium. Some of them watch in the television also, sitting at their home. The national game of India is hockey. At one time, India was a world champion, and now our hockey players are trying to regain the same position with training and determination. So, the national game of India is hockey, and once India was world champion in this game, and our team is again trying to regain that position by training also and determination. Determination means दृढ़ निश्चय. जब आप किसी काम को करने का पक्का इरादा बना लेते हैं, उसी को हम कहते हैं determination. The other popular outdoor games are football, lawn tennis, polo, horse riding, etc. So these are some examples of outdoor games. Now, Kabaddi and Kho-Kho have been popular in India since olden times, especially in rural parts. जो ये गेम हैं खो-खो एंड कबड्डी, पहले ये गांव में ज़्यादा प्रचलित थे, but in recent times Kabaddi has become very popular. Both the games are very good for physical fitness, quickness of movement, mental alertness and team spirit. Moreover, they do not require any expensive equipment and can be played anywhere. So these games are very nice games because they keep you physically fit. Quickness is required. When you play Kabaddi, quickness is required. You have to touch any opponent and come back to your area. Then mental alertness also. You have to see all the sides, and team spirit. They do not require expensive equipment means इनके लिए कोई अलग से टूल से सामान नहीं चाहिए. Like if you want to play table tennis, then you need some equipments, but here no equipment is required. They can be played anywhere. Now next page number 65. Many people enjoy cycling, skating, walking or jogging in parks. Yoga classes are also a great attraction in park and yoga centers. The old as well as the young practice pranayam, breathing technique, and asanas means body posture. Some people also enjoy exercising in open spaces. So apart from indoor and outdoor games, these are also some of the activities that people like to do. Those who are health conscious, they mainly adopt such kind of activities. Earlier, some games were played only by boys and some by girls. Most boys played cricket or hockey, and girls were expected to play kho-kho, badminton, etc. But now the situation is changed. Women are playing all kind of games for fun and as professionals like cricket, football, hockey, etc. So earlier it was a myth that boys will play this game and the girls will not, and girls have to play only such kind of game. But now boys and girls, they can play any kind of games. They are working as professionals also. Profession means job, the work that you do to earn money. So they are professional also in this team, like coaches. They are called professionals. Many games are competed as mixed doubles at international level. Like lawn tennis, both boys, girls have equal opportunity to participate at national games, Asian games, Commonwealth games, Olympics, etc. So in mixed doubles, mainly who took part, men and women both. That's why it is called mixed double. So now it is not like that girls will play this particular and boys will play this particular game. Both of them can play. Then most people enjoy watching cricket match at Eden Garden. Eden Garden is in Kolkata, West Bengal. Okay, it is a stadium for cricket. Okay. Then tennis match at Wimbledon. With Wimbledon is also a oldest tennis tournament and very prestigious one also. ठीक है, with enthusiasm and excitement, बहुत जोश के साथ खेला जाता है ये टूर्नामेंट. Children enjoy visiting the zoo. और बच्चों को क्या पसंद होता है? जू में जाना, सर्कस और वाटर पार्क और फ्लाई काइट्स इन देयर लेजर टाइम. सो ऑल दीज आर सम लेजर टाइम एक्टिविटीज़. Young or old, everyone looks forward to leisure time to relax, enjoy and refresh the mind. So these are some of the more activities that people like to do during their leisure time. I hope you have understood this chapter.